Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hiya.
And today we've come to give this beauty a top speed run and see how fast it goes. It's totally bog stock, and I've fitted, although you don't get a motor with it, I've fitted, oh you can't see under there, can you?
No.
It's a Torque Tuned motor, Tamiya Torque Tuned. That's just covered up by a bit of a heatsink there. And I gave it the first run the other day, and it does run really sweetly, and it's quite nippy, so it'll be interesting to see how fast it goes.
Yeah.
And the other interesting thing is it sounds awesome, Rob.
Cool.
I don't know what it is about it, but it just sounds really nice. I think it's a combination of the motor and these tyres on this smooth tarmac.
Right.
So at the end I'll just do some tracking shots or something, see if we can get that sound to come across. Anyway, let's not muck about, we'll stick this speed meter on 0 and give it a try.
Cool. Right dude, I can see the speed meter set to 0.
Yeah, because we don't cheat, do we, Rob?
We don't.
Are you ready then, son?
I am.
Right then, let's see what she'll do.
Wow.
See what I mean about the sound of it?
Yeah.
Have you got it?
Just about.
It's going to come past pretty quick, I think, Rob.
Yeah, that's a bit quick, mate.
Goes well, don't you?
Yeah.
Listen to that. Sounds awesome.
It does. Must be all those metal gears and things.
I don't know, mate. I think it's the tyres have a lot to do with it. I'll try and pull it round here, mate. So
I was going to say you're zooming in and out a bit too slow for it.
You hit yourself, Rob.
You did.
Last one.
Oops. Where's he gone? What? Whoops.
I always do it, don't I?
You do.
Wouldn't be the same otherwise. What we got on there?
We have, I can't see.
Oh man, it's
25.
25 mile an hour.
25. Super duper.
Woo-hoo. So there we go, guys. That's quite amazing, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah.
For a Torque Tuned motor. Some of the other guys have said that this is quite high gearing, but it seems to accelerate as well. Oh dear, look what I've done to the tyres.
Oh dear.
So just to finish off, I'll give you a few shots with the GoPro of it going round, so you can have a look at it in action. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.